Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's get to class. Question number 11. How does the diagonal wave looks like in a cycle? The answer is, if the diagonal wave in the start either start of 1 to 5, which is 1, or start of ABC, which is A, it is called leading diagonal. As we can see an example of an ending diagonal in wave 5 in uptrend and downtrend. Quote number 7. Robert Arnott said, "In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable." This means that you need to take risks in order to make a profit. If there is no risk in the trades you're making, you cannot expect to really make a living as a trader. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.